For anyone who's interested to invest in real estate, or even if you want to start your real estate company, but you don't have enough money for that, I will help you. Don't worry about anything, because today I will tell you some tricks and some secrets will help you a lot to start your real estate company, or even if you have a little bit money and you want to invest in real estate, also I will help you in that. Okay, but what I want from you, just to concentrate with me, because today is very important for anyone really who is caring to put his money inside this huge empire. Okay guys, let's go. The safest two investments today, guys, in the world is gold and real estate. I want to tell you something, that the safest one, which is number one, is real estate, more than the gold itself, because the gold prices from period to another period, it's decreasing and increasing like the stocks. But real estate, you will never lose. In the worst cases, you will get your money back as it is, as you invested, but you will never lose $1 from it. Okay, so that's why the real estate, everyone today, he has an amount of money, he want to put it in a secured way, he going to buy an apartment for himself or a land for himself, and he will invest it. Anything in the world, by the time the value of it, it's decreasing, except the real estate. I will tell you why. Today, let's say that you put an asset, which is a car, and this car is valuing like $50,000. You put it from 10 years with $50,000. Today, this car, how much is the price of it? It would be like $5,000, right? So the price of the car from 10 years until today, it's decreased. But the real estate, if you put an apartment from 10 years until today, it's increased, not less than 10 to 15%. That's why even the watch, today the watch, if you use it, if you put a watch with $1,000 from 2 or 3 years, ask about the same watch today. If you want to make a resale, the price will be increased. But if today you have an apartment from 5 or 10 years and you wanted to sell it today, you will earn on it. That's why the real estate is the perfect and the best investment you can do it, especially if you are in the early of your life. But some people has some issues saying that we don't have enough money to start in real estate, and this is a totally wrong idea, because in this video I will change your mindset about the real estate. I will telling you about some tricks and some hacks how to invest in real estate, or how to start your real estate company in a professional way, and how to build your empire inside this industry. Are you ready, guys? Let's go. For example, guys, you have today a budget of $50,000 and you are hesitated where I invest it. Investing in a projects like franchises, cafe, restaurants, or any kind of project like industries or all of these things has a huge risk, because it maybe it will work or maybe it will not work. Okay, so this is the first part. Second part, today if you take your money and you put inside the bank, let's agree together that the value of the money on a long time period, it's losing. Okay, like for example, today the Egyptian pound to USD dollars was from 2 years ago, $1 is equal 18 Egyptian pound. Okay, today $1 is equal 15 Egyptian pound. This means that the dollar is losing its value in front of my currency. This means that my savings are losing also its value. So this will be a huge problem for you. This second, if you want to start your real estate company today, you have to understand two things. Okay, the market is divided into two types. First thing is called secondary market. What is the secondary market? It's the ready apartments. Built up apartments already, it's ready to hand over for any client. Okay, so this is the first thing in the type of real estate. The second one is off-plan properties. What's meaning of off-plan properties? That today you are buying an apartment, but it's still not built up, it's still not existed, it's only on drawings, it's only on papers. You reserve, like for example, off-plan properties is developers, but secondary market is normal brokerage offices. So if you want to buy off-plan properties, you can go to developer. And what's good in Off-Plan that it has a payment methods, so you can install your apartment over 5 or 6 years. But secondary market, which is ready apartment, it doesn't have any payment methods. You have to put your cash full one time to hand over immediately. So the first thing, guys, you need it in order to open your real estate company is building a network of agents. What's meaning of agents? Your friend can be an agent, your colleague can be an agent, your classmate can be an agent. So what you will do, you are calling anyone near to you, or you will try to build a relationship with other people in order to work for you, in order to bring clients for you, in order to sell apartments for them. This is the first thing. Secondly, building your network on brokers. You have to build also, you have to get a lot of brokerage. You have to make an agreement with brokerage companies. So next, you have to set or to build a marketing plan in order to market for your deals. You have to make a website page, you have to make a Facebook page, an Instagram page, everything in order to market for your company, in order to approach for more people, in order to be well known inside the market. So all of this needs a marketing plan very well. So the final and last thing that you have created events or webinars. What is the importance of this? To make a brand awareness for your company. If today you are making a webinar, you're inviting a lot of investors and you're inviting your existing clients and you're inviting a new clients, all of this is called brand awareness. You're telling the people who you are inside the market, what service you are offering, what you have. All of this will serve you a lot to sell in a huge money. Okay, guys, so we reached the end of the episode today, guys. I hope really for anyone who is interested to start his real estate company or to invest in real estate, it will be useful episode for you. And please, guys, if anyone has inquiry or a question or anything, don't hesitate to write a comment for me below down the video, and to press the bell button, subscribe, like and share in order to grow with each other and to support and to let me help you more and more. So guys, you are with A.Hassans projects. We'll grow together, we'll develop together. See you next episode.